So I also have another issues, Mrs. Speaker, sir. Large number of people in East Jaintia Hills district depends on earning from the coal directly or indirectly. Ever since the Honorable NGT banned coal mining, lives of the people have been severely affected in numerous ways, and many people were pushed to poverty because of this reason. Because of unemployment, trade and other activities have also been severely impacted, and the ban has been decreased the purchasing power of the people. Mrs. Speaker, sir, I am glad that the government has been taking several initiatives to start legal coal mining, and I'm made to understand that there has been several applicants who have been applied for the mining lease under the MMDR Act. However, mining is yet to start till date. So I wish to request the government to kindly expedite the process of starting legal coal mining and to pursue the matter aggressively with concerned authorities and to ensure that the legal mining starts as soon as possible. I request the government utmost attention to this matter, sir. With these few submissions, sir, I hope and request the government to take all the possible steps to the points I have mentioned for the development and the welfare of our beloved state. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you.
With this opportunity, I resume my seat.